Sexy Red makes a club appearance with Key Glock and Rich the Kid.
Hello. Told you this how we living.
What we doing?
This how we
really
living.
doing this shit for real. Bitches real motion.
Oh.
Sexy, go sexy, go sexy. Let's see what they talk.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm used to my dog just walking in and already going crazy. You know what he do.
Listen, it's 7 in the morning. Hold on, what we doing? We really doing this shit for real. Bitches real motion.
Oh.
Hold on.
Where
We
we
just
going?
Me and Sexy on the beat, we going. We just what?
Hey, we just, hold on. We just flowing.
Hold on.
Is that cause I ain't trying to go in.
No, for real. What's the next spot? Who said play a fire? Whatever it is. What's the next occasion?
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.